Hi guys, I haven't been posting for a long time since I lost my channel, but today we are playing Where is My Animation? And shout out to Marson, somebody who friended me on Roblox on my old account. Shout out to them, thank you. But I actually got everything right, but he is chilling somewhere. Don't ask me where I got that up. He okay. You guys just need to see this. It is awesome. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Wait a second. Done. They like it. If you like it, guys, if you wanna be next in Where is My Animation, then please comment down your username. But let's change this a bit. He hmm he's my best friend. Where is my bro? Domi. Actually, I ain't. I'm not gonna change this. Okay, guys, I changed something, and now we're going to start it. 3, 2, 1. Start. Okay, let's change something. Oh man, no. Yeah. First person. Hmm. Crossed arms. Second. Founder. Third. Shrug. Fourth. Founder item. Okay, let's see this one. Yep, let's go. See the change in their poses. But I have an idea. When I become a really huge YouTuber, I'll go to one of my past videos and look at this video at my bacon avatar. But now I only have I only have 3 subscribers. I had 70 before. Bro. Okay. So, 2 games in a video. Guess what it is? Carl's Animations. I'm gonna put the same people. Okay. Go. Go. skip. Ooh. Wait, guys. Do not think that I'm actually using it. I'm not. Okay, just kidding. I am. Whoever wants the backrooms jump style. I'm gonna enter my username, and whoever wants to friend me, just ask me. That's my avatar, a bacon hair. That's my other friend. One sec, guys. Let me search up. I hate that song actually. Yeah. 268. 268. 268. 268. Underscore 268. No, not. Whew. Now next is gonna be idea. That dude. What's his name again? I'll actually just find him. I don't wanna be busy doing blah blah. Okay, come on, I'll find him. La. Don't tell me how many friends I have. This one. 7769. 7769. 7769. Get it? Next. Whoop. Guys, look closely at the background. I don't care about when you went to Burger King. I'm just trying to find my friend, that's all. Nope. Oh. Got him. 144. Ethan plays 144. Ethan underscore plays 144. Plays 144. Now look. I'm gonna do the first one, which is the fourth one. Look. Better. That's so cool. I'm gonna do this one. I think so that's dumb. Oh, no kidding. That's this one. I'm not gonna do this one strategy. Okay, maybe I will, just for the people who are watching, who are girls. Me and my bro. Yippee. Did bro just jump me? Okay, my partner and my bro. Okay, back. Now. I'm watching reels on my phone. Ultra instant mode on. Ha. That's actually me IRL. I actually caught a ball with one hand which was going so fast. Hey, the favorite one. I really want to cook my bro. That's what I do it. IRL. Okay. Next. This is what an iPad kid does. This is what an iPad kid does. Okay, this one is kind of weird. Not weird, I may say. Whoever wants to be in this, just comment your username. My bro. My other bro. My partner. Doesn't it sound like a game, guys? Wait. Guys, doesn't that sound like a game's this? What do we call? A game sound. I swear. I think so it's from Freddy's, but I think so no. Which one do I want to do? The one which I did IRL. Okay? I was literally scoring on my phone and then I caught the ball because they were saying catch it, and then I caught it. Yeah. So that is the end of the video. Shout out to Mehran or something. He is my friend in Roblox. Whoever wants to get included in Kyle's animation or that other animation game, then comment down your username, please. Okay? So, bye guys.